Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to make yourself thinner in Snapseed. To make yourself thinner in a picture using Snapseed, you can use a combination of perspective tool and the healing tool. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. To make yourself look thinner in Snapseed, follow the steps till the end. First of all, go ahead and open the Snapseed application. Now from the home page, click on the plus button. Select one of the images you would like to edit from your device's library. Once you pick a picture for yourself, click on Use at the top right corner. This will then take you to the Look page from where you can select necessary filters for your edit. But in this video, since we are trying to make the picture look or appear thinner, the tool we are going to use is the perspective tool. So, click on Tools at the bottom and then select Perspective. From the Perspective tool options, you will be able to see several tools that you can use to adjust. Tap on the Scale option inside the Perspective tool and then use the finger to pinch the image inwards. But remember not to overdo it. Pinch your image slightly inward and this will make the image look taller and thinner. Be careful not to overdo it as it can distort the image unnaturally. Once you are happy with your adjustment, click on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. And that is the only way you will be able to make your picture appear thinner using Snapseed. If there is any bulges on your image and it needs extra edit, then you can go ahead and select the healing tool and carefully use it in order to smoothen out any bulges. After you are happy with your result, click on Export at the bottom right and save your images like you normally do. So that's the only way you will be able to make yourself appear thinner on Snapseed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.